as mentioned in my last video, okay, all these relationships are very important. Okay, as mentioned on top, these are the Trigo relationship which you must memorize by heart, and it must come to you automatically. Alright? Whereas this portion in green, okay, is actually inside the formula sheet. So you do not have to remember, but rather, every time you see any Trigo terms that deal with that deals with square terms, you may like to refer to the formula sheet. Okay? With that in mind, I'm going to erase this portion and move on to the second example, part B. Okay, part B on first glance does look very intimidating. Okay? But remember, we will always start with the more complicated, more complex side to the easier one. And it's very clear cut. The left side is definitely more complex. So, let's start with the left hand side. State down the question and please write it out carefully. Don't make careless mistake or have 擦掉, okay, in your writing. Okay, the obvious choice where everyone will be able to tell me is to expand the bracket because of the power square. Alright, let's do so. Okay, let's expand the bracket, and this is what you have. Notice we need to simplify everything. 2 tangent theta minus 2 tangent theta. Tangent theta will be gone. So what is left if you simplify? This is what we have. Okay, you must be smart enough to see. There are number 2 here, number 2 here, but there is only a single 2 over here on the right hand side. Look at the outcome. What can we do to make sure there's only a singular 2? Let's adopt our favorite word. F. Factorize this term. Then, I'm very certain your guess is as good as mine. Notice, 1 plus tangent square theta looks very familiar. Refer to the formula sheet, because with the use of square term, 1 plus tangent square theta, the relationship will tell you this is as good as telling me is secant square theta. Oh my god, it's already the answer. And why? After showing you example A and example B, somehow the proving of Trigo identity seems rather easy. It's applicable and it's doable. Okay, so give it a try. I will do a quick recap. If you have 2 terms combined into 1 term, please make use of the idea of common denominator. Combine into 1 term. The vice versa is true. You can split it up. It is from a single term into 2 different terms. Similarly, what I do in the second one is nothing much. Simplify everything, and whenever you have any Trigo square term, refer to the formula sheet and simplify your expression by using the relationship given. Okay? With that, I'm done with recapping what you need to do for proving of Trigo identities. So now, if you feel you have understood my lesson well, very good. I'm going to give you 4 similar examples to try out, and I really hope, try it, give it a try, and if you can get the result, I'm very certain you'll be feeling very satisfied. And this will be tested in your quiz as well. Use the ideas I told you so far. Okay, 4 simple doable examples given here. Use the approach I have done so far for example A and B, and we are good in proving the Trigo identities. Thank you.